Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will make Lord Krishna playing Holi with colors and running behind the boy and girl. Krishna running behind boy with Holi colors. This prompt available in description. Krishna running behind girl with Holi colors. This prompt available in description. If you also want to make such a photo of yours, then comment us your name. We will make it and send it to you. So comment quickly. These are the final images. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.